In this Instagram tutorial video, we're going to show you a step-by-step on how you can change the location or your country on Instagram. The first thing that we will do is to make sure that we are logged into our Instagram account on which we want to change our country or region. And in order for this to work, we have to make sure that we switch our account type to a business account. If you do have a business account, then you can skip this step. But if you don't have your Instagram account set as a business account, it's really easy to do so. We have to go over to our Instagram settings page. Once we're here, we will scroll all the way down until we can see this account type and tools under the For Professionals section. Click on this, switch to professional account. And we will carefully go through these steps and set up a business account. You can see this, what best describes you, so you can select any of these that describe your profile, and I'll select a video creator. Tap on Done. And this step is really important. They will ask us, are we a creator? But we will select the business option right here, because that's going to allow us to set our address and change our location and country on the profile. So select the business option, and then let's go to the next step. Tap on Next, and skip the remaining steps because they're not that important. We've switched our Instagram account to a business account, and let's start changing our country or region. Click on Edit Profile right here, and then we have to find an option in here that's called Contact Options. You will have this Public Business Information section, and we will select the business address right here. All you have to do now is to enter in your street name, your city, and the zip code. And once you enter in all of the information regarding your city and street name, your country or region will be changed on Instagram. And that's how to change our location on Instagram, on both iOS or Android. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.